In this video, I would like to give you the basics of how to solve this problem.
SAT question number ID A0369739.
The question states, in triangle ABC, triangle A, B, C, the measure of angle B is 90. And BD is an altitude of the triangle. So an altitude of the triangle is from one corner of the triangle. Let me move this aside real quick. Is from one corner of the triangle to the opposite end of the triangle, and making sure that it is perpendicular with the opposite end, which means that these are both 90-degree angles. The length of AB is 15. And the length of AC is 23 greater than the length of AB. AC equals 23 plus AB. AB equals 15. Therefore, AC equals 38. Good job. Now it asks for the length of BC over BD. Hold on, I forgot to write AC equals 38. 38. Alright, so first of all, we need to find BC, okay? So BC, in addition to referring to a calculus class, can be found using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, this is called the Pythagorean theorem. In this case, A is the length of our legs, and C is the length of our hypotenuse. That means A is 15 squared plus B. This is B right here. We don't know what this is. So 15 squared plus B squared equals C squared. And when you do the math, you find out that, oh, hold on, this shouldn't be C, this should be 38 squared. So 38 squared is 1,444 minus 15 squared, which equals 1,219. And so B equals the square root of 1,219. That's BC equals square root of 1,219. Okay, now we have to find BD, but how are you supposed to find the length of this altitude? Well, when you split a right triangle with its altitude, the triangles that you split it up into, which is ADB and BDC right here, and the original triangle are similar. That means the sides are proportional. The sides have the same proportionality, and the angles are the same. Altitude equals similar. Okay, so let's draw a few more triangles here. First of all, we're going to start with ADB. This is just to show that this angle and this angle are the same, and this angle and this angle are the same. So first of all, we have ADB, and then we have curses, BDC. And keep in mind, these angles are all 90 degrees, by the way. Okay, now that we have these similar triangles, we know that AB is 15. We can fill that in right here. And we know that BC is the square root of 1,219. Oh, let me change to a different color real quick. BC is the square root of 1,219. So when you're trying to find BD, that is this side right here that we are interested in. And using the simple principle of similarities between the sides of similar triangles, we know that the proportion between AC and BC, or rather AC and AB, being this side and this side, is the same proportion, because these three triangles are all similar, as this side and this side. So that means AC over AB equals BC over BD. That means, when you plug numbers in, that 38 over 15 is equal to square root of 1,219 over BD. Then BD, or rather 1 over BD, don't make this mistake, it's a very easy mistake to make. 1 over BD equals 38 over 15 square roots of 1,219, and therefore BD equals 15 square roots of 1,219 over 38. And there we have our answer, right? Wrong! The question asked for, what is the value of BC over BD? Luckily, we already have BC. BC, if you can recall, equals square root of 1,219. That means BC over BD equals square BC over BD equals square root of 1,219 over 15 square roots of 1,219 over 38. We can simplify this complex fraction by multiplying by the reciprocal of the denominator. Therefore, this equals square root of 1,219 times 38 over 15 square roots of 1,219. And everybody brought mass to the party. Therefore, we can cancel this, cancel that, all the kittens die, and then we get 38 over 15. And therefore, your answer is D, which is what I have in my mouth right now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.